Here's a strange research vessel that came in today. I think it's called the Polly, but I'm not sure. It's super cool though. It's able to raise itself completely up out of the water on those three legs that you see. Just starts to lift itself up and voila, it's a done deal. Comes completely out of the water. Makes for a pretty nice boat, I think. I could see that down in the Keys. Have you a band on there playing every night? There it is. It's completely up out of the water. That was quick. All the way up out of the water, high and dry. Now that's some smooth sailing. I like that. I could live on that. And also this wooden boat came in the other day. I thought I'd get a quick picture of it. This thing's old as the hills. Solid wood boat. I'm sure it's got a lot of stories to tell, but I sure don't want to be part of any of them from here forward. Still, it looks like it could be a good old boat, right? Thanks for watching, everybody.